I'm glad she hasn't figured out how to actually use the trim on that thing, otherwise I'd be fucking fried right now. Oh! Wally, watch out! Long. Let me tell you what, I actually been waiting for this for like 2 weeks. Alright, what good, boys?
What good?
We back in the stew. No, we on our way to the river. Hell yeah. I'm so excited. We're about to go catch some crazy smallmouth on top water. There's like a million of them on that river. So fun. And then one day we're gonna either float or go hike up to this lake called Round Lake. It's up in the mountains. You go catch some big old cutthroat. You can also catch cutthroat right out the bank, right out our property. Then, you know, one day we're gonna go try and find some big old largemouth way up the river. And then another day, you know, we're just, I mean, we got endless possibilities of fishing.
Lots of fishing.
There's I've caught giant squawfish down there. I've caught giant pike down there.
Yeah.
I've caught giant trout and giant smallmouth. So I mean, and giant grouper. Do a catch and cook too. That'd be fun. But yeah, that's kind of the plan. We're just gonna go down there, get set up tonight, and then tomorrow should be a blast. But we don't fish tonight.
Good son.
Alright, boys. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Goods.
He's got the goods.
I only Roman candles because I like making bad decisions.
Right. Out.
Yeah.
Special delivery. What is this? What is this?
Orange creamsicle.
Oh. What you rating that?
Thank you. Here's your orange juice. Sorry, I forgot your fire. Uncle Mama Kendall's I got. Fucking went out there and he was super chill. He was like, super
1 to 10, what you rate it? 8.5. 8.
B-Lou almost just fell off.
You can, it's so easy.
What? Fall off? Oh yeah, I know.
That one's going on your YouTube video. Oh, sorry.
Caden, come look at my POV, see if this is fire POV. Come. Okay, in the car. Yeah, but. I done saved it. Oh shit! Bro says I'm dirty, watch! Watch this, wheelie all the way there, watch this! We got a wheelie next to each other, and then both turn around and then hit the wave in the middle. I know, that's what I do. This shit kind of tough looking. Look, looks like my tat. Look. Why is it hanging? Man, he long neck. Ready? Chico bite you. Please. No. It's a gardener. I don't. He's not even that mad. No. You try to bite him. Yeah. It's good, bro. I'm so lucky. Yeah. Look at how shattered the back is. P-Money, let's see the spear setup you got going on.
I gotta get it wet. I gotta get my bands wet. Alright, so we got, you know, average tip. Sharpened it. You know, got them bitches. Fish ain't getting away. double bands, ocean gun.
Oh, I thought you were
Got
about
the
to load
padding.
that.
Got the padding. You want to see a demonstration?
No. Yeah, that's how you know he's a professional. You do that underwater?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's rough.
You shoot me in the neck with that, Jackson's gonna kick your ass.
That's insane.
Yeah, that's why I gotta have the fucking padding.
Yeah.
Shit hurts. Hurts like a mofo. I got that scuba mask, that US dive. I got them US
Big ass
dive
flippers.
fins.
Where you got the good
We gonna get some. Try to get some underwater footage. You know, shooting them bitches.
Try and get a, what are you gonna, sucker, squaw or something? Whatever.
Try to get a Jackson
Whatever.
fish.
Yeah.
Rip.
Alright boys, we're on our way back into town to go get some ice and
There's some
some ice and some fucking fuel. Oh my god, they have no more eyeballs. We gotta get gas too.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my god, yeah, just one headlight. You gotta let them pass you now.
I'm going slow.
Just got me a goddamn
Foot
foot-long Subway sandwich.
Delicious.
Delicious. I'm pretty sure the last time we had those, I ate all of Boston's.
That's when we were camping last year.
Yeah, I ate every single one of them. That looks so good, Paxton. Look at that weed line.
Yeah, look at that weed line right there.
Hold my beer, hold my beer. Two? Hold my phone, hold my. Oh shit. That's not real. Oh, that's awesome.
Wow, look at this kid. Look at, oh my god, he's throwing 12 at like 50.
Get me off this thing. Oh, fuck. We all just went down. Alright, well, P-Money, you started
Running around over there, man.
You just went up and picked it up?
Yeah,
Oh,
it was trying to get away.
He needs his mama. No, go put him over at the base of that tree where the...
Which tree? This tree?
Yeah, just put him at the bottom.
Let me step over. What?
Oh no!
What?
It's right there. It's in right there. Look at it. It's like
Oh my god, Paxton.
oh shit!
What?
Run, fly!
1, 2, 3.
Where the fuck did it go? We gotta get this.
Let's go.
Dude, we gotta get this big ass motherfucker over by the water right now. We gotta get it over by the water. We gotta get it over by the water.
We're not getting it in the water.
Get it by the water on the bank.
End the video. We gotta lift this shit.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah! 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 Oh my god! Yeah!
Oh shit! Oh shit! He did his hell, boy. Oh,
You need to back up. I know. Alright, you guys got your ears plugged? Yeah. Me too. Here we go. This shit shoots fireballs, bro. The water going crazy. Oh my goodness gracious.
Ready?
So sorry. You didn't get to shoot the 5.56 shot.
It's okay.
I'm so glad I got to shoot it before they came over here.
Yeah. Y'all ready to have some Roman candle fights?
whole rack of them going in my pocket.
I just let some drop.
All right, let's get it.
Let's get it.
What do we gotta do?
I'm gonna shoot the fuck out of him.
He's gonna shoot the fuck out of him, chat.
Ready? You ready?
Yes, sir.
Get him! I ran both of my shoes.
Light the next one, boy.
Ah! Ah! Oh shit! I'm getting shot at! Ah! Oh shit! Oh, I gotta find the lighter. I gotta find the lighter.
Got my phone, Lou?
Yeah.
Let me get it.
Nope.
Yeah.
You're about to.
Here, give me.
Wally, watch out. Wally, watch out. Holy shit, chat. Holy shit, chat. Oh my god! Dodge!
I'll save you, Billu. There you go. I'll open it.
I mean, if you have them, yeah. If not,
I can possibly find some of those
No,
in my center
don't
console.
even worry about it. I'll blow some
Snot rockets.
Fuck it.
Oh my god, I'm being called for
Hold
help.
on.
Oh.
I think I was supposed to be down. No, if I get down like this, my fault.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What are you doing? What are you... Hold on.
Hold on.
What are you doing, Boston? Hold on, kid. I'm sorry. I'm go. You're in Lucas's. Take the fucking drink. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
My fuck. Oh no. Drink liquid. Oh yeah, drink that spring water, boy. Okay, good. That's not that bad. I think so, fun. You look dirtier, dirtier and shit.
That you're gonna
Yeah.
you're gonna love.
I should just write it.
No, you shouldn't.
Everybody, when they ask, when they ask who lit this off, just be like, oh, I don't know. I saw some dude run over there and light it.
We all gotta run right when we light it.
Yeah. Oh my fuck. Oh my god.
Alright, game over.
This is a one.
Who won? My liver did.
Towards the end of the night.
Hat sideways, brain sideways. We shoot from the moonlight curry.
What?
Shoot for the moonlight curry. And airball that shit. Big on
Ready?
cam, all of it.
What the fuck? Alright, boys. It's been a while.
Long weekend of no fishing.
A long weekend of no fishing, shitty weather. But it's finally nice today. Back on that high horse and go find some fish. Boom.
Extremely heavy.
It'll happen on those bigger jobs. I said that like 150 times yesterday. Jesus, dude, they're probably loaded at the mouth of that thing. Oh, dude, the smallmouth gotta spawn like crazy right here.
Dude, I hit him in the stomach.
Oh, shit! Oh.
Yo, bitch, awesome.
Yeah, tons of weeds. That's why there's big old largemouth in here. Are you serious, bro? You get hooked on the fucking carpet? Ever. It's like a honey hole if they're there. Okay. Can't get in there anymore. They blocked it off. Actually, it's just fucked. So we're gonna have to. Well, no, we're just gonna. Yeah.
Is that whole side of maybe
Pretty much. Biggin? Oh my God, it's the big. Oh. God damn it. Oh no, I just shit my bricks, dude. I thought it was it. Really? It's running away. Giant, absolute fucking giant. It is actually gonna fly. Oh, it's running away. Jesus! Oh, that's looking funny. You're such a little cock. So that's funny. I drop shot so much.
I mean, it might be because it's rod.
Oh, I got one.
He has a nice small.
Fucking boat. Fucking thing is dogging me. Holy.
I like this steak.
Yeah, dude, they fight so hard. No, and he absolutely choked it.
See, CJ? What do you see? What is it? What is it? There was a dead mouse in the backyard. No.
Video. Got the puppers.
What?
Look at CJ. Hi. What are you doing? Hi. Hi, puppers. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, don't fall in the middle of the night.
Alright, boys. Another beautiful morning out here. And I haven't quite filmed as much as I want to. But, you know, that kind of comes with camping, having fun. Yeah. Fuck, man. I'm tired. But we still going busy. We're good, boys. I've been out here trolling around good old classic rooster tail, and caught a kokanee, little baby one. It was like 6 inches long. And then I caught some baby perch. I was looking down in the water and I'm like, that looks like a giant smallmouth. Well, sure enough, I think a 3.5 pound smallmouth sitting down there with a group of whitefish or something, suckers, and I'm like, huh. So I keep going, and water's gin clear, so I'm just looking down. Going about another 20-30 feet, I'm like, oh, that's a school of smallmouth down there. Fish. Yeah. All right, let's get to it. You're in like 10 foot of water, schooling up. There's suckers and squawfish. Like, dude, there's everything over here right now. It's pretty cool. That's insane, dude. I don't even understand how that. I don't even understand how. That's not even 15 feet of water. That's like 8 foot. There's kokanee in there. Said you're so pretty. Oh yeah.
New drink. A little watered down, but.
Is it stout? Is it stout?
What's that mean?
Never mind. Hand off of the century right here. Thank you, baby. I love you.
I'm looking cute.
Don't screw me up. Really? You gonna do me like that? No. No. Do not. No. I'm glad she hasn't figured out how to actually use the trim on that thing, otherwise I'd be fucking fried right now. No! Oh! You're fucking kidding me, man. Oh my fucking God. Bro. My fucking GoPro bag is open. Babe, all of my GoPro shit is open. This shit is not waterproof, babe.
Oh, I didn't realize it was that open.
I get she doesn't understand, but like, man, I'm just trying to fucking fish. Like right here. Literally fucking like, bro. I say the tuna sandwich. I'm getting my fucking payback, man. She had no idea what's coming. Watch this, she's cooked. I'm sorry, I'm done. My fucking contact fell out onto my glasses, dude.
What are you doing?
My contact fell out. Had to run all the way back to get me a contact, man. Bruh. Oh fuck. Oh shit, I'm about to fall off. We're good. One hand. Solid. Put this right up here by my neck, see if I can't get a better POV. I'll be alright. We're not going very far. Oh fuck, man. Big one right there. Big one.
No way they don't bite that popper. Yeah, you just casted right where that other one jumped.
Yeah, I don't know who put this gill net up here, but it's already killed like 5 or 6 fish. It's killed like 6 giant smallmouth. There's 4 of them just sitting in the fucking net.
That one?
This one right here, he's alive. I'm gonna try and save him.
That's up a fish trap like
I don't know, dude. I feel so bad for the smallmouth. He's gonna die.
all this fish.
Jackson, grab me my pliers.
Yeah, where are they? Oh, yeah. I almost just fell. I got them.
Oh. Dude.
That's
3-pounder. And that one's even bigger, but it's already dead.
Yeah.
And look, that one's even bigger too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if we can let Buddy go. Let's go release him back there.
Yeah.
Don't fucking swim right back into the net, dude. Are you serious?
He probably wants to go back there. We could take this down.
I don't fucking understand why someone would put a gill net. Alright, I just got off the phone with Fish and Game. Pretty mad right now, but I'm waiting for a call back to see if that's a legitimate gill net or not. Even if it isn't, that's not okay at all. Alright, I'm gonna update y'all on the gill net situation. I got in contact with I just broke that dude's neck. Looks at me, he's like, "Hey!" That's tough. Anyway, got in contact with the Citizens Against Poaching with Idaho Fish and Game, and it's actually a Coeur d'Alene tribal boat that has started too early on their search for pike shallow in the back of creeks. And what they're doing is they're doing a kind of a conductive research where they open up the bellies of any of the pikes that they catch, and look at what they're eating. So the Coeur d'Alene tribe that was actually doing it was supposed to get their permits soon. The Idaho Fish and Game didn't know they were out doing it yet. So there wasn't anywhere posted that there was gill netting going on or anything. So, you know, I might have been a little upset in that video, a little mad per se, but it's so hard when you got an unmarked gill net going across the canal. Like, I fish a lot, and you know, there's 2.5 pound smallmouth sitting in there, and I do everything I can to keep the ecosystem fresh in that river, and I've been down there for the past 12 years of my life. So, I mean, I've never seen that before. So what I did wasn't essentially wrong. So, all right, boys. Well, I got a lot to edit and stuff. So, sorry. Anyway, I got a lot of stuff to edit. I didn't get nearly as much fishing in this weekend as I would have liked to. And that just comes with the fact that all my homies were there, my girlfriend was there, you know, and we were having a great time. So next time we're down there, I'm definitely going to do more fishing. It also just wasn't quite that right time of year. So yeah. All right, boys, I'll catch y'all later, hopefully fishing. I'm going fishing tomorrow.